MNS Chief Raj Thackeray will appear before the Enforcement Directorate today in Mumbai in connection with the IL&FS case. The Mumbai police has stepped up security outside the ED office and outside his residence as well. Local MNS leader have been taken into preventive custody.
The probe is over the loan and investment by IL&FS in a company that was owned by Raj Thackeray, among others. Now, his then partners have also been grilled by the Enforcement Directorate. The MNS has called the move to summon their leader as political propaganda by the BJP ahead of state polls later this year. Okay, let's go across now to Sandhya Gora, who joins us live from outside the Enforcement Directorate's office in Mumbai, and Mayuresh Ganpati is outside Raj Thackre's residence. Let's come to you, Sandhya, first, because let's talk about what arrangements are being put in place here, because this is a bit of a tricky situation from the Mumbai police, where Raj Thackray has been summoned to the ED. And the Mumbai police themselves having gone out of their way to try and speak to the MNS supporters to ensure they don't take to the streets and make life difficult for the citizens of Mumbai.
Absolutely, Viren. Right now we are outside ED office and you can see, let me show you around as far as the deployment here is concerned. These are the cops here, senior officers including the DCP of the area is present here. Riot control force teams are here on the other side of the road. You can see that how they are there. That is the team of riot control force. Along with that team, Maharashtra police team is also there. Apart from that, every lane which is leading towards ED office, whether it's on that side of the road, whether it's on the left side of this particular road which connects the rest of the area to ED office, whether it's about the other side, which is the right side of the road, every single lane which comes towards ED office is properly barricaded. In fact, if we talk about what Mumbai police did to ensure that first these kind of protests do not happen, since yesterday Mumbai police started sending notices to the party workers of MNS, clearly stating that they are not allowed to stage any protest anywhere in Mumbai because MNS party workers, they said that how they are going to gather outside ED office when Raj Thackray will go to ED office. Mumbai police made it clear that they will not be allowed to gather either outside ED office or any other place. No protest will be allowed. And if they will do anything, any protest, any gathering which can disturb the law and order situation of the city, that particular notice which was sent to them will be used against them legally. Not just Mumbai police, in fact, Maharashtra police in areas like Kalyan and Dombivli also sent similar notices to MNS party workers. As of now, more than 1,000 cops are there in different parts of the city. Right now, the focus is going to be ED office, apart from Dadar area and Chamber, because these are the strongholds of MNS party, MNS office, Raj Thakray's residence. Today is the day when Raj Thackray at around 11 will come here to give his statement, because he's being questioned about his involvement and the way he surrendered his shares in the year 2008 when he quit the consortium which was formed to buy Kohinoor mill. And if we are talking about the bidding amount of rupees 421 crore which was paid by Raj Thackeray, IL&FS and Unmesh Joshi to buy that property. And in 2008, Raj Thackeray quit that team. How much share did he own at that time? At what price did he sell? All those things are not clear yet.
All right, let me bring in Mayuresh as well, who's outside Raj Thakray's residence. Mayuresh, MNS has a track record of being extremely aggressive in their protests, and now with their chief coming under these summons, he's slated to appear before the ED. There are, of course, worries about what kind of reaction that will cause. But tell us more about the case against Raj Thackray at this point in time, because clearly the probe agencies are looking into the investments that were made into Raj Thakray's firm, despite the fact that he managed to exit the deal.
So, Afrita, before that, I just want to tell you that the ED summon which Raj Thackray had received, that had not gone very down well with MNS leaders, and that's why from past 3-4 days, MNS leaders were saying that they will shut down the Mumbai, they will shut down. But after Raj Thackray had asked them not to do any kind of such thing, you can see that there are hardly few MNS workers over here. When police presence is not that big, usually people must have a think that if Raj Thackray is coming, or the aggression of MNS MNS, considering the aggression of MNS in the past. You can see there are hardly few police officials over here and very less MNS workers. And now let's talk about the case. What exactly is the case? So Kohinoor company was formed by Unmesh Joshi and Raj Thackeray was one of the partner. In this particular company, IL&FS had made an investment, or you can say that given a loan of rupees 200 crore. And after that loan, Raj Thackeray had surrendered his share, or we can say Raj Thackeray had quit that particular consortium which was formed by Unmesh Joshi and him. So ED wants to probe that why Raj Thackeray quit, what happened to the shares, why at what price he sold his stakes. So all this technicality ED wants to know about it, because ED is probing this IL&FS matter, and they had filed a charge sheet also. And while doing this investigation, they have found that IL&FS had given a loan to the Kohinoor company, which was formed by Unmesh Joshi, and the Raj Thackeray was one of the partners. So in this connection, they want to question Raj Thackeray. They want some clarity on some issues, and that's why they have summoned Raj Thackeray. But here you can see there are media presence is really heavy, but the workers, the party workers, and even the Mumbai police are not that much present here at Raj Thackeray's residence. Back to you.
Right. Right, and just as a precautionary measure, a local leader, Sandeep Deshpande, has also been detained, kept under preventive custody. Thanks for joining us, Santya and Mayuresh, with your inputs on this.